So at 7 o'clock you have to go to school. You have to 7 o'clock you have to go.
8 o'clock. 7:45 he has to.
Okay. That means 7:15 at least you should leave from here. Understand? Okay. Okay. Sit in comfortable posture. Sukhasana. Hold chin mudra both hands. Make your spine straight, back straight, head straight. Launch your breath mentally. Inhale slowly. Exhale very, very slowly. Take a deep breath. Hold for exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, down, inhale, up, 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 exhale, down. Drop your hands down. Sit up. This is very good relaxation position. Avoid back pain. You can feel back pain, knee pains, joint pains. Feet together. Both hands side of the hips. Elbow up. Back straight. Spine straight. Head straight. Close your eyes. Dandasana. Stick pose. Watch your breath mentally. Normal breathing. Inhale up, arch down. Exhale down, arch up. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up, exhale down. Shashangasana breathing or moon breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg up. Exhale close. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale right leg up. Exhale close. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale left leg up. Exhale close. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale right leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Relax totally. Spread your feet. So subtle exercises basically for aged people, but also for people who want to do yoga initially. You have to make your joints and all very flexible. So for that only we have to do. So feet together, hold the waistline, take the right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Relax. Come to Shavasana. Totally relax. Take a deep breath and release very slowly. Relax totally. Enjoy the session. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Now feet together. Both hands side of the body. Now you have to raise your both. When you chanted Agara, the lower part of the body is vibrating. You can feel the sensation at the feet region. Now let us chant Ugara. Inhale. Omkara chanting awakens consciousness within. It deepens your awareness, expands your awareness. Realize the fact that you are not the body, you are not the mind, you are the soul within. So life is an eternal journey and you are an eternal soul. So there is nothing to worry about life. Be happy and joyful every moment of life. So that is the way how the life should be. Don't open your eyes. Hold it in mudra, right hand, right wrist to the left hand back side.